The crypto area generally has quickly changed throughout the long term, and presently many coins certainly have overwhelmed the market, making it extremely difficult for a financial backer to pick, which most certainly is very huge. Axie boundlessness truly is among the famous tokens on the lookout, and its extremely high exchanging volumes show that it is a quickly developing crypto convention, well known among crypto financial backers. Axie limitlessness especially is a blockchain-based game that has seen its local crypto genuinely token Axes rally by more than 2,100% in 2021. It generally is a play-to-procure digital currency biological system and gaming network that allows clients to procure Axes by playing various games inside the Axie limitlessness universe and client-produced content drives. Players can procure rewards by gathering, exchanging, doing combating, and raising computerized resources called Axies, which truly is genuinely huge. Moreover, the organization serves a crucial job in giving a tomfoolery and instructive approach to, in a real sense, acquaint the world with blockchain innovation, which is genuinely huge. The kind of state-of-the-art innovation and high rewards for the most part are a portion of the justifications for why Axie vastness could soar in 2022. Why for the most part pick Axie limitlessness, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Remarkably, Axie limitlessness is very famous right now in an unobtrusive manner. The organization basically has enrolled north of 250,000 fundamentally day-to-day essentially dynamic players and made buzz in the crypto local area. Axie endlessness airdropped 800,000 pivot boundlessness shard Axes tokens to its initial adopters. It generally opened up marking capacities, permitting clients to secure in their tokens and for the most part procure new ones consequently, sending the worth of its truly token taking off in a fundamentally enormous manner. Strikingly, the organization behind Pivot Endlessness publicized a 161% really yearly rate pace of return and stood out as truly newsworthy, which in every practical sense is very critical. Axes holders can get prizes for playing, casting a ballot, and marking the sort of token, and will get compensated profits from Axie Boundlessness's People Group depository, esteemed at commonly more than $2.3 billion. The specialized design of Axie limitlessness empowers the stage to by and large lighten truly many worries looked by gamers and NFT gatherers the same incredibly. The organization permits clients to explicitly open worth from the game circle, which certainly is very huge. In customary gaming, clients put time and cash into computerized resources. However, they sort of don't claim these things. Axie endlessness has generally moved the worldview and in a real sense, set possession back under the control of gamers. Is Axie limitlessness going to skyrocket in 2023? Which generally is genuinely huge. There are loads of client benefits for cooperation in the Axie boundlessness environment in a very significant manner. For one's purposes, blockchain-based exchanging and doing combating game especially are exceptionally engaging, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Players can go through hours investigating, engaging, and gathering significant NFTs, non-fungible tokens. These tokens range in esteem in light of their shortage and convenience in the game, which explicitly is very huge. One more huge benefit of the Axie vastness universe is its open source nature. The engineers behind the idea generally empower sort of other local area individuals to, in a real sense, make devices to better the general client experience, which certainly is very huge. Along these lines, the stage takes a forward-looking position. For these and in every practical sense, more reasons, Axie limitlessness could explicitly become extremely further and soar in 2023. Making now an extraordinary opportunity to truly put resources into Axes, which certainly is genuinely huge. One potential for procuring pay in a genuinely significant manner. Strangely, Axie endlessness in a real sense has turned into an in every practical sense essential method for procuring pay for individuals in non-industrial nations, extremely like the Philippines, Vietnam, and others, which is very huge. The convention is a trailblazer in using a new crypto-based plan of action called Play to Procure, where players can, in a real sense, procure monetary advantages from the genuinely open environment inside the game incredibly. Clients playing Axie endlessness can procure around $10.20, as of late a lot nearer to $30.50. A day in computerized resources, but playing the game, which is very critical. They bring in this cash by selling smooth love elixirs, SLP, or selling Axies in a significant way. Clients can procure SLP through winning fights or finishing difficulties, which really are at present the primary exercises in the game. SLP basically is an X90 that can generally be sold on different, for the most part decentralized trades in an unpretentious manner. As the cost of SLP rises, clients can basically bring in cash by selling them on the open market. Or so they generally thought. The second method for bringing in cash in Axie limitlessness essentially is utilizing the SLP to raise more Axies, which is very huge. Through reproducing two Axies, a child Axie in every practical sense is brought into the world in a significant manner. Axies can be reproduced up to multiple times, and the posterity can be sold on the by and large open market. There fundamentally is an especially consistent interest for new Axies, as possessing 3 Axies is expected to play the game in a quite large manner. These Axies are NFTs, and in this way can fundamentally be sold through the different NFT commercial centers made on Ethereum. The return for money invested sort of capability of Axie limitlessness generally has made the organization sort of work as a position stage for certain districts of the world. Moreover, clients in every way that really matters are procuring maintainable compensations through ongoing interaction in an extremely significant manner. 2. Gaming design. Or so they thought. Quite possibly of the main advantage that clients gain is benefits, in spite of prevalent thinking. Prominently, 95% of its income returns to the players, with Axie Boundlessness taking a 4.25% charge for trading Axie NFTs. Clients likewise truly pay a little expense when they breed their Axies. Axie Boundlessness especially consolidates a few well-known perspectives from games like Cryptocrates, and more incredibly, clients breed their Axies to foster specific abilities and commendable qualities. They can then take their uniquely Axies and complete missions to acquire energy. Axies explicitly are the advanced animals that wander the universe. They can raise and pass down their truly remarkable characteristics in an unpretentious manner. As referenced previously, each Axie can raise up to 7 basically times before they essentially go sterile, which is genuinely huge. This methodology guarantees that there are never an excessive number of comparable adaptations of these computerized resources in presence, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Clients can fight each other to generally acquire awards also, or so they thought. You can raise, and afterward contend in PvP fights to really win list of competitors' prizes, which especially is very huge. These awards can incorporate collectible NFTs and tokens. The more fight clients win, the more significant their Axie becomes in the biological system. Top the competitor list, and their hero Axie will hold esteem over the opposition. Extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Clients can get to Axie Boundlessness by making a MetaMask wallet and interfacing it with a Ronin wallet. Ronin is Axie Boundlessness's Ethereum viable sidechain. 3. Axis tokens. Or so they thought. Axis is the essential utility and administration extremely badge of the organization. This X90 administration token can be for the most part procured through different undertakings. You can procure Axis when you mess around or basically partake in satisfied creation crusades in an unpretentious way. Axis is exchanged on numerous trades, including SushiSwap and Uniswap. You don't in every practical sense need to generally be a gaming expert